Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on JioPhone. Unfortunately, it is important to understand that JioPhones run on the Kai OS operating system, which is fundamentally different from Android or iOS. Subway Surfers, a very popular game, is specifically developed for those Android and iOS environments. This means you cannot directly download or install the game onto your JioPhone. We will explore the reasons behind this and what options might be available. The primary reason for this incompatibility lies in the operating systems themselves. Kai OS is a streamlined system designed for basic internet features and essential apps, requiring minimal resources. Android, on the other hand, is a much more robust platform with a complex framework that Android applications, including Subway Surfers, depend on to run. Your JioPhone simply does not possess this specific Android software architecture. While Subway Surfers isn't an option, the good news is that the JioStore provides a variety of games tailored for Kai OS devices. You can browse through the available titles, which often include fun arcade games, puzzles, and even some endless runner-style games that offer a similar fast-paced experience. These games are specifically designed and optimized to perform well on your JioPhone's hardware and software, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. To summarize, playing Subway Surfers directly on a JioPhone is not possible due to the fundamental differences between Kai OS and Android operating systems. There are currently no official methods or workarounds to bridge this gap for Android games. However, the JioStore continues to expand its collection of Kai OS-compatible applications and games. We encourage you to explore the many engaging options already available, offering hours of entertainment on your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.